The 74th India's Independence Day celebrated at the Fu and Koilamatti Congress Mandal Committee Office. Nine new cases of COVID-19 in Dongkamukam Hospital. Good evening, you're watching News Center for Karbi Anglong. I am Beauty Rombipi. Now let's begin with the headline show. In a nationwide celebration of India's Independence Day, the Fu and Koilamatti Congress Mandal Committee also celebrated Independence Day peacefully. During the special occasion of the country's 74th Independence Day, a celebration was held at the Fu Golf Boys Playground in Karbi Anglong. And in this occasion, the national flag was hosted by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Mr. Tuliram Longhang. The DC and SP Karbi Anglong was also present in the celebration. The 74th India's Independence Day celebrated all over the district. In Nili Block, Mandal Office, the President Mr. Bapuram Teron unfurled the national flag at 7 a.m. in the morning, along with Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MEC Mr. Povitro Rongpi. This celebration is also done in many other Mandal offices, peacefully with utmost joy. Our special correspondent from Bifu, Mr. Edmarson Kramsa, and Moses Teron from Koilamatti News 24 Karbi Anglong. The new COVID-19 positive cases are on the rise in Dongkamukam, due to which an atmosphere prevails in the minds of the people. The COVID-19 positive cases are on the rise in West Karbi Anglong district. Today itself, 19 new positive cases has come up in Dongkamukam Hospital. The person infected by the COVID-19 virus are identified as Birson Teron, Jiten Pangcho, Alim Uddin, Long Im Kro, Maina Intipi, Jirsong Timung, Kareng Intipi, Jina Ronghangpi. Fear of griefs, the people of West Karbi Anglong, so the medical team and staff of Dongkamukam advised the local people to follow the COVID-19 protocol like wearing masks, social distancing, use of hand sanitizer, etc. News reported from Dongkamukam, Dikanto Terang. PMAYG houses left incomplete in Haraghat, Paninti village. There are still news about the half-constructed PMAYG houses under Haraghat constituency, where nearly 10 houses of PMAYG are left incomplete, and the beneficiaries allege that the installment for the constructions are all withdrawn by the contractor. Not only this, the people allege that even the job card amounts are also being withdrawn by the Quidilmet. The local people and the beneficiaries of the 10 NOS PMAYG incomplete houses say that if the contractor don't by the Quidilmet, the local people and the beneficiaries of the 10 NOS PMAYG incomplete houses say that if the contractor does not complete the houses, then they will take the legal help for the injustice done to them. Thank you for being with us. For more updates, keep watching News 10 for Karbi Anglong.